Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share with you my thoughts on the latest Apple iPhone 15 Pro 128GB Black Titanium. I'll be doing a review and unboxing, so let's dive right in. When I first saw the packaging, I was instantly impressed by its simplicity and uniqueness. The words Pro and Shimmer really stand out against the black background. But let's move on to the main event, unboxing this amazing device. As I opened the box, I was struck by the weight of this phone. It's not too light, which is a good thing in my opinion. The matte back gives it a unique look and feel. The camera housing is quite noticeable from the front, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. The buttons are clicky and feel solid, just like an iPhone should. Overall, I'm really impressed with this phone so far. If you're in the market for a new iPhone, definitely check out the iPhone 15 Pro. Thanks for joining me today in this review and unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, take care.